96% of business-to-business organizations use video as a part of their marketing campaigns, but ensuring that your video is easily searchable is critical. Video transcripts help your website is searchable and get high ranks among search engines. Here are 6 ways transcription can improve your SEO. Search engine optimization heavily depends on keywords. Transcripts enable search engines to gain an in-depth understanding of the video content. Using a transcript below a video is a simple way of incorporating keywords in a page. It also helps with creating a strong video SEO strategy since transcripts can effortlessly include primary, secondary, and tertiary keywords. Video transcription can be a useful tool to help with your content tracking metrics. By adding precise and accurate transcripts to your video and implementing it properly, it can attract genuine customers and decrease bounce rates. Web pages that have transcripts below the related videos can act as a long-form blog post. They contain several keywords spoken in the video that will match a unique search query. Therefore, the chances of finding your video in their top search results increases. Videos can engage audiences better. They can ensure that people stay on your page longer. This also increases the chances of people browsing your website and finding other content that they may find appealing. Transcripts can help you gauge and strengthen your keyword strategy. Build specific pages for every video and customize the keywords appropriately. This means customizing elements like the page's URL structure, title, page content, and anchor text to integrate the keyword phrase. Looking for video transcription? At GMR Transcription, we provide 100% human transcription services with high accuracy and quick turnaround times. To learn more, visit our website or give us a call. For more tips, subscribe to our channel.